We're doing a wrap-up for my Box to Beautiful 30-day challenge, and we're at the end of January, so that makes the 30 days up, and I'm hoping people got momentum or at least found a place to start to organize their print photos. So I just want to thank everyone for showing up and for joining me on this 4-week journey. 30 days, Box to Beautiful, how to organize your print photos, whether or not you use Dig Your Photos, physical kit or the digital download, or you just followed along on the system as I explained it and gave you weekly emails. It's been a journey, and hopefully you made some momentum and you feel really good about yourself. So whether you, got all your photos in one place, or whether you've sorted them into piles and got rid of your duplicates, or you've actually gone on to creating a timeline and categorized everything. Any step is momentum and really good progress, and you should feel great about yourself, and let's celebrate that. Everybody is at a different place, so not everybody's going to make the same type of progress, and some people have very small collections and some people have very large collections, so any progress is amazing, and the important thing is not to get frustrated and to keep going with it, because you are really doing a service for generations to come. So I just want to kind of go through a few things, a few questions I've gotten over the last 4 weeks, and then if we get any questions in while we're live, I'll answer them as well. So one of the questions I've gotten a few times is, what do I do with the almost duplicates? And that is a really great question. So what you do with the almost duplicates is, we don't really want to save them, right? Because the whole reason we're paring down is to really focus on the memories that tell our story, and also to create a backup, because we're going to digitize. And why would we waste our money digitizing near duplicates, right? So we've already gotten rid of the duplicates, and now we've uncovered near duplicates, which is an amazing feat. And so what I would suggest to do is to lay them out in front of you and pick the most meaningful photo out of that series. It might not be the best photo. It might not be the one where everybody has their eyes open and a big smile on their face, but it will be the one that's most meaningful to you. It could be the one where the cat walked in front of the camera and you see a tail in front of everybody else, but you guys laughed your heads off afterwards. So keep that one, and if you need to keep one more, that's okay, but get rid of the rest. You don't need it. Another question is, how long should I keep my photos in the temporary storage, and what works? So keeping your photos in the temporary storage is exactly that. Temporary storage, right? So I would suggest that once you have an idea of how large your photo collection is, order archival safe storage. That will protect your photos from any degradation over time, or because of light seeping in and fading them as well. So I like archival methods, but there's a lot of different companies out there that provide really good archival safe storage for your photos. And then the other thing is that the temporary storage is there so you can also get an idea of what your categories are, right, that you've organized your photos in, until you're ready to have them digitized. So I don't think it should stay in the temporary storage for very long, because the goal is to digitize the photos so that you can save them for the generations to come, and also share them with your family members and friends, and also be able to find the memories that you want the most. So telling your story, paring it down so you can find the ones that tell your story, and also getting them into archival safe storage and backing them up by digitizing, I think, are the most important things. So temporary means temporary. You got to move them somewhere else so that they're protected and also backed up. Let's see. This was an interesting one. What if my family's not interested in helping? That's okay. Actually, family members sometimes are just not in the same headspace as you are right now as far as saving your story. And that's okay. Everybody kind of is in a different place. And so I think what you're doing is really important work, saving your family story, and people will appreciate it. Maybe not the one that you expect to, or the one that you want to show the picture to and share the story with right now, but people want to hear that story. And you're doing really, really important work. So it's okay. And maybe once it's not chaotic and it's more organized, your family member will want to join in. Maybe it's just too much. It's too overwhelming for them right now. That's okay. Let's see, what else? Well, I do want to thank you for showing up. And I do want to just kind of give you 3 simple options for moving forward, because your goal is really to save your story and to downsize all the boxes of disorganized photos. So here's what I would say. Keep going at your own pace. Whatever pace it has been, whatever you've been doing each week, keep it going. Go at your own pace. If you haven't already purchased the Dig Your Photos kit, either the physical kit or the digital download, I would encourage you to do that. It kind of gives you permission to do what you need to do. It's a system. It allows you not to have to second guess yourself on what the next step is. And it's also fun to share with a friend. And then explore the scanning, digitizing the scanning of your photos once they're organized, and seek professional help when you need it. Meaning, there are photo managers out there just like me who can help you, or you can email me. I'm happy to answer questions. You can reach out to me on Facebook right here. And but there probably is a photo manager in your state, and maybe very near you, that can help you with all types of your photo needs, video needs as well, transferring videos or real movies. Bring back those memories. Don't just save the print photos, save everything. So I really want to thank you for showing up or for coming to the replay. And I want to really, truly invite you to share your progress with me via email or on this Facebook page, because your progress is really helping someone else understand that they can do it too. So that is, I think, very important. And again, DM me or email me with any questions, and hop on over to my Facebook page, my YouTube page, where you can find all sorts of information on your photos, including digital photos as well, and how to organize them, how to pare them down, and how to find the photos that you love. Thank you again.